So today I'm going to be unboxing the Proscenic P13 cordless vacuum cleaner, and then we're going to be setting it up as well straight out of the box. Now, full disclosure, Proscenic did send this to me in exchange for the video. And just before we get into the unboxing, I want to very quickly run through the features for you. So Proscenic are marketing up to 45 minutes of runtime with the included battery. Suction pressure of 35 kPa, which is actually really impressive, and this is going to be suitable for pet hair as well. Speaking of hair, the brush roller does have anti-hair tangle as well. Some other neat features here include a good size 1.2 litre dust collection, the HEPA filter, and also the green LED headlight, so it's going to be great for using this vacuum cleaner in those darker places and under the furniture. And just in case it's not obvious, this is going to be suitable for hard floors and carpets. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and see what's included in the box. So of course we have the user manual, and there are a number of additional tools here included as well. As you would expect with a new vacuum cleaner, we have the multi-tool here, along with a crevice tool. We have the wall mount for charging, a HEPA filter, and then we have the components of the vacuum cleaner itself. Starting with the main pipe, which is adjustable in length, and of course the main roller head here. And on the front we have those green LEDs. And just to show you this up close as well, we have the window here, so you can also see if there's any blockages. And then on the underside, you can see the brushes here, and it's difficult to show on camera, but we do have the anti-tangle system in place as well. And what's great is if you do need to remove the roller for cleaning, it's dead easy. Right here we have a catch mechanism. Just pull that down, that lifts up, and then it's just a case of removing the roller so that you can get any, hair that does get on this, dust or whatever, cleaned off it. And you can also clean the main head too before popping this back in. Next up, we have that battery allowing for up to 45 minutes of runtime, the AC power adapter for charging, and the main part of the vacuum cleaner itself, which contains the motor, the dust collection, and that 1.2 litres. It's actually a really good size, along with the handle, the controls, and the smart display touch as well. And just before assembly, let me show you some of the functionality here. So when it comes to emptying the dustbin, it's this one button here. Just push that, and that opens up so you can empty out everything that's been vacuumed up there. If you need to remove this, there is another button just here on the side. So if we just pop that down, that will unlock the whole bin collector and we can take that off. As you can see, there is a second filter already installed and good to go. And just to show you, this whole thing can disassemble for cleaning as well. So if you have any blockages, then pretty much every component here, including of course the filter, can be removed so that you can access every part of this dustbin here in order to get any of those blockages taken care of. And it is recommended you give these filters a clean fairly regularly, just to make sure that the vacuum cleaner operates in peak condition at all times. And then we just lock back into place on the main motor. The battery easily slides down and connects into place. You can remove that as well without any hassle when need be. One more thing to show you here, you can also access the main HEPA filter on the back of the suction motor. And I feel that assembly itself is pretty much self-explanatory. So the extendable hose pops into the one end, and then you can either use one of your accessory ends or the main foot header. Just click that in, and yeah, we're good to go. And of course we can extend that then to full size as need be. What's great though is you don't need this extendable hose if you don't want to. You can put either of the accessories straight onto the motor head, or you can of course just put the foot roller on, so then you've got a handheld vacuum cleaner instead. And now if I hit the power button, yes, we can see those green LEDs have come on, and they are quite bright actually, so that's going to be really helpful. I can just about show you the on-screen display, although that's going to be difficult to see in this lighting here for my filming setup. But I can use the on-screen display here to increase the speed and the power. So that's really easy to do. And overall, this was super simple to set up. It took me about 2 or 3 minutes. And a simple click of the trigger whilst it's in operation will switch between carpet mode and hard floor mode. So The whole thing is completely self-explanatory. I haven't even had to open the user guide, but of course it's there if you need it. But folks, this is the unboxing and setup of the Proscenic P13 vacuum cleaner. I'm really excited actually to put this through its paces and just see what it's capable of. So I will make an updated video with a more full review later on down the line. So please do stick around if you want to check that out. But yeah, so far, first initial impressions are definitely positive. And if you're looking for a new vacuum cleaner, the Proscenic P13 may be one to check out.